Hey guys, Jason Guyman here. I'm working in the rain and I wanted to show you how we cut our wire to make so we don't have bulbs just sticking down here. We actually got an extension cord that goes from here to there and it catches this bottom lower. When we got it bulbs or we unclip them, it just looks like crap. And this way works a lot better. I'll show you down below how it looks by doing it professionally looking. All right, so now we're down here on the ground. I wanted to just show you how this looks without having sockets and all kinds of that awesome stuff in it. So you can see we come down this line right here. We put a short extension cord there, which actually ran all the way down and back and hooked in here. Our power is actually hooked into this line right here. Our power comes into up this gutter line, so you can't see it. This is custom lighting. It goes up that gutter line. You can't see it. Comes across, jumps up there, and comes out. And that's how we do it. Then this comes across. We actually take this cord up power, and then we power across that ridge there, and that powers everything in the front. And that is how you customize lights on a house and make them look professionally, and you don't have empty sockets that can have water get in them, snow get in them, and all that awesome stuff. So please subscribe to my channel and check out all the videos I have right here. Thanks.